One of my yoga students once told me she was so happy I had taught her the oceanic breathing technique during a private yoga session. She said that for the first time of her life she became totally aware of her own breathing, as before she hadn't been able to get a grip on it. Oceanic breath, or Ujjayi breath, has a couple of interesting advantages for your yoga practice. First of all, it slows down your breathing and renders it more tangible and regular. And secondly, it helps you to remain aware of your breathing throughout your yoga session. Let's have a look how you can do this. Oceanic breathing is like breathing whilst creating a soft sound deep in your throat, as if you were sighing. And it can be done for the exhale as well as for the inhale. Imagine your lungs being a balloon that fills and empties with air. If you make the entry to the balloon narrower, it will inevitably slow down the flow of air and the friction of it will produce a sound. Well, that is exactly what we do with Ujjayi breathing. We make the entry to our windpipe a bit narrower by slightly contracting it. Suppose you feel a bit annoyed and you would emit a sigh like this. Well, imagine holding that little contraction in your throat and rendering it longer like this. Or let us make another comparison. For people wearing glasses like me, this will probably sound familiar. Suppose you want to wipe your glasses clean and you put some damp on them first. You would do this. And then you would wipe them clean. Or imagine you try to moisten a mirror. See, that's exactly what we mean. This sound, you are perfectly able to keep doing that, but all together with your mouth shut, as in yoga, we mostly breathe through the nostrils. It will probably feel natural doing it on the exhale, and it will ask some initial effort to keep that little contraction also on the inhale. But it's exactly the same action at the throat's level. And you're not supposed to make it sound very loud, like a steam engine. As long as you can hear it for yourself, it's perfectly okay. I really invite you to give it a try and to adopt this simple technique during your yoga practice. It will truly transform your practice into a more powerful, energetic experience. Thank you for watching this short video on Ujjayi breath. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up under the video and you can subscribe to the channel if you like. And I hope to see you again for more useful video content on yoga. See you!